Hello everyone, this is Shazad Auto and you are welcome to Maths with Shazad Auto. Today we will learn order of a matrix. If there are R rows and C columns in a matrix A, then the order of the matrix is R by C. Find order of the following matrices. I have written three matrices on this page and three matrices on next page. So we start from first page. Consider matrix A. Now we see that there is one row, this is row, there is one row in matrix A and there are two columns in matrix A. So we say that order of A is 1 by 2, order of A. Now consider matrix B. There are two rows in matrix B and one column in matrix B. This is R1 and this is R2 and this is C1. R1, R2 and this is C1. So order of matrix B is 2 by 1. Now consider matrix C. There are two rows in matrix C and two columns in matrix C. This is R1, this is R2 and this is C1 and this is C2. So order of matrix C is 2 by 2. Now consider matrix D. We see that there are three rows and three columns in matrix D. This is R1, this is R2 and this is R3 and this is column 1, this is column 2 and this is column 3. So order of matrix D will be 3 by 3. Remember that here 3 by 3 is not equal to 9. And now consider matrix E. We see that there are three rows in matrix E and two columns in matrix E. And this is R1, this is R2, this is R3 and this is C1 and this is C2. Hence order of matrix E is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Remember that here 3 by 2 is not equal to 6. Finally, consider matrix F. We see that there are one row and one column in matrix F. So order of matrix F is 1 by 1. So dear student, we can easily calculate order of any matrix. These were first three matrices and these were last three matrices. You can easily find order of any matrix. If you like this lecture, kindly share it with your friends. And if you are still new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you.